Junior Explorers!
Hey everyone, I'm Emma. I love capturing the perfect shot.
Hi, I'm Henry. Bird watching is my thing.
Hi, I'm Moana. There's nothing better than fresh air and the smell of nature.
Welcome!
Welcome!
Welcome to our channel!
Today, we're exploring one of Tainan's hidden gems, Barclay Memorial Park. This place isn't just a park, it's full of history, nature, and culture.
And it's an award-winning park. Ready to see why this place is so special?
Let's get started! Barclay Memorial Park sounds like a Western's name.
That's right. Let me show you. It's named after Thomas Barclay, a British missionary who came to Tainan in 1875 and spent over 60 years here.
What? 60 years? What did he do here?
He improved education, built global connections, and translated books into Taiwanese to help locals learn.
That's impressive. What else?
He also founded Taiwan's first newspaper to promote education and improve lives.
That's amazing. No wonder Tainan wanted to name this park after him.
Yeah, it's their way of saying thanks for everything.
Hey, look over there.
It's a bridge and a pond. This place is so beautiful.
Did you know this park is famous not just in Tainan but internationally?
Really? How?
Barclay Park won the Phiopsy Award in 2007. That's like the Oscars of parks and public places.
No way!
And it's also one of Taiwan's top 10 parks.
That's amazing! Let's go take some pictures.
Look at the rivers, the fish. Turtle. Oh. Did you hear that? Bird?
Let's take some pictures.
Alright guys, ready for a fun fact? This beautiful park wasn't always so beautiful.
Let me guess. Was it a jungle?
I bet there were snakes.
Worse, it was a landfill, a giant trash dump.
Ew, landfill? Trash?
No way! Who would have thought this beautiful place used to be full of garbage?
I know, right? The city decided to clean up and transform it from a junkyard into this beautiful park.
Oh, thank goodness. Just look at it. Ah, so peaceful. Hey guys, Barclay Park isn't just about history, it's a paradise for nature lovers like me.
Wow, look at those trees.
This park is like a sanctuary in the middle of the city. Flowers, trees, and even a creek running through.
I love how the park changes with the season.
Exactly. Different trees, different colors, in different seasons. Each season has something special.
That's so cool.
And in spring, you might even catch fireflies lighting up the night. It's like a magical light show.
Fireflies? No way!
Yep. And if you love birds, this park is perfect. You can spot woodpeckers, Chinese bulbuls, and so many other species. It's a bird watcher's dream.
Wow, nature, history, and wildlife. Oh, all in one place. This park really has it all.
Barclay Park isn't just for nature lovers, it's for everyone.
Whether you're here to relax, explore, or learn, there's something for everyone.
It's a place where history, nature, and community comes together.
We had a blast exploring Barclay Park today, and we know you will too.
Thanks for watching us at Junior Explorers. See you next time. Bye!